Hey buddy, Luxinda Swirl here. We're gonna dip into our Dollar Tree bag of goodies and do another pour. I have chosen this welcome summer sign. I'm assuming it's summer because it involves butterflies and that's when we get them here. It was all connected. I took it apart. This actually lays on top of the bigger butterfly, and these two wires that maybe you can see or can't see. So I hold it like that. They go through the two holes and clip behind, but I've separated it for now. And I have them both, all three components, the sign, the butterfly, and the butterfly, sitting on top of these little tops to 2-ounce Jello shot cups that you can get off Amazon. It will keep some of the paint from going through exactly where it might otherwise, but at the same time it will hold everything up off the canvas so the paint will actually go through things and down onto the canvas. I do not expect any aspect of the welcome to come through or to stay on the canvas once we tilt, but I just thought overall painting this would be kind of fun. We'll see what we get. This is an 11 by 14 canvas, so we need 9.625 ounces, meaning we're going to fill this 10-ounce bowl up to the top, because I think that will give us plenty of paint. Today's colors, I'm using Artist Loft Ready Mix Pouring Paint. We have metallic white, we have orangey, we have beautiful turquoise. You can tell what my favorite colors are, can't you? Gorgeous phthalo blue, some sap green, and deep yellow. So those are the colors we'll be using. I'm going to layer them in no particular order. So we'll fast forward through that part and get to the fun stuff, which is the pour. Make sure everybody's turned on, so to speak. Okay. All right. Give it a few seconds here. Don't want to lose too much paint over here. In fact, I wonder if I can encourage things to go that way just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. Let's see if I can get this stuff off of here without too much trouble. Okay, and now we tilt. Oh, I like that. Ooh. What do you think, folks? Pretty nifty, huh? Now, this paint dries really glossy, and sometimes that translates into really sticky also. So when the butterfly signs do dry, I will spray everything with a clear varnish sealer or a clear sealer, like the Rust-Oleum 2X spray paint in gloss clear, and that will keep them from being so sticky before I hang it outside. All right, let's go in for our close-up. We will start with our butterfly sign. There's the bigger of the two butterflies, and above it the welcome portion. And then there is the little butterfly. Here we are at the painting. Lower right corner, across the bottom. Lower left corner. Up the left side. As always, the lines and the depth with this paint is just phenomenal. Upper left corner. Across the top. That's beautiful. Upper right corner. And down to the right bottom again. That's gorgeous too. Really love this and how it turned out. Let's check out the middle. Beautiful. And now we'll get the whole thing in frame, hopefully. Here we are. Now I will bring you back. This is not the end of the video. We'll come back and see the dried products tomorrow. So stay tuned. Hey everybody, we're back. It's the next day. Things have dried. I put the butterfly back together. Obviously this is not where I'm going to be hanging it, but I wanted to give you an idea of how it looks. I think it looks gorgeous. Let's see if we can do anything. I've got so many shadows in here. I don't want to cover it up. I think actually the fact that the top butterfly layer didn't get completely covered helps keep the definition of the separateness. They look different. I was a little afraid that the top butterfly, when I reconnected it, see, would sort of disappear onto the bottom butterfly because they both got the same paint pour. But it actually looks pretty good, I think. And you can see the edges a little better because the paint didn't cover everything. And here's our welcome. I think that looks really nice. So I'm going to hang this outside somewhere in the front yard. Haven't figured that out yet, but I think that turned out really nicely. And here is the painting. I think that turned out really spectacularly as well. Oh look, a little baby deer in the background. See the deer? See the baby deer? Aww, little fawn. Little fawn. Okay, back to the painting. I think this turned out really nicely. This paint doesn't develop cells or anything after the pour usually. It dries pretty much the way you see it once you poured, and it looks nice and glossy. It will need some spray varnish because right now, even though it's dry, it is sticky. If I were to lean this against another painting, they would pretty much weld together, which ruins everything, obviously. So varnish, but I will let it cure first for a while longer before I do that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next one.